Naan recipe. Punjabi leavened is bread. Punjabi, Pakistani, Indian, bread innit? Bread is bread. How to make the naan? Makes about 8 loaves, 30 grams, 1 ounce of fresh compressed yeast or 1 sachet of dried yeast, 3/4 cup of lukewarm water, 3 teaspoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1 egg beaten, 1/4 cup of melted ghee or butter, 2 teaspoons of salt, about 3½ cups of plain white flour, extra melted butter, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds or black cumin seeds. In a small warm bowl, sprinkle yeast over 1/4 cup warm water and leave for a few minutes to soften, then stir to dissolve. Add 1 teaspoon of the sugar, stir, then leave in a warm place for 10 minutes or until it starts to froth. This is to test whether the yeast is live. If it does not froth, start again with fresh batch of yeast. Stir yogurt until smooth, then mix with the rest of the sugar, the remaining ½ cup lukewarm water, egg, melted ghee or butter, and salt. Stir in the yeast mixture. Stir in the yogurt until smooth and mix the rest of the sugar, the remaining ½ cup lukewarm water, egg, melted ghee, and salt. Stir in the yeast mixture. Put 2 cups of flour into a bowl, make a well in the center and pour in liquid mixture, beating well with a wooden spoon until it is smooth batter. Add remaining flour a little at a time, and when it gets too stiff, to use the spoon. Knead with the hands until a stiff dough is formed. Knead for 10–12 minutes or until dough is smooth and elastic, using a little extra flour as possible. Form dough into a ball. Let it rest on board while preparing bowl. Heat the bowl by running warm water into it and leaving for a few minutes. Dry the bowl well, grease it, then put dough in the bowl and turn it over so that top is greased. Cover with a cloth and leave in a warm place until doubled in bulk and a finger pushed into the dough leaves an impression. Punch down the dough and divide into 8 balls. Leave to rest 10 minutes. Preheat the oven to very hot, 230°C or 450°F. Put 2 ungreased baking trays into the oven to preheat. Pat dough into circles, keeping them thin in the center and thicker around the rim, then pull one end outwards, making a teardrop shape. They should be handspan long and little more than half that much wide at the base. Brush with melted ghee and sprinkle with poppy or black cumin seeds. Put 2 or 3 loaves on each baking tray. Bake about 10 minutes or until golden puffed. If the naan is not brown enough, put under a preheated grill for about a minute or 2. Serve warm or cool with the tandoori chicken, lamb kebabs, korma or boti kebab, and with kachumba as an accompaniment. Kachumba, Kachumba, K-A-C-H-U-M-B-A-R.